In this question, you have to identify how many true breeding pea plant varieties did Mendel select as pairs which were similar except in one character with contrasting traits. Now, Gregor Johann Mendel, who is regarded as the father of genetics, conducted experiments on the inheritance pattern using pea plants, that is Pisum sativa. And to establish a proper experimental system, Mendel meticulously selected 14 true breeding pea plant varieties, each exhibiting distinct characteristics for specific traits of interest. Hence, the correct answer is option A.